Hello, how are folks doing today? Hey, I wanted to mention real quick one thing. Wisio. Now, you may have never heard of that before. When somebody contacted me the other day, I hadn't heard of it before. However, after discussing things with them and looking at their platform, I've decided to set up a page there. And that is under my name, S.A.Trotter. So if you would, please take a look at the wisio account. If you want to interact with me directly, this allows you to do that. You can send me a voice message, you can send me a video, you can provide me with text, you can give me pictures and files or whatever you need to communicate to me, to talk to me. Talk to me about recipes, about Texas cooking today, about technique and about what I do here. Ask questions, feel free to do so. And there's many different categories there. You can ask for an answer, you can ask for a demonstration, or you can ask for a tutorial, and I'll give you what you're looking for. So please, wisio.com S.A.Trotter. That's all there is to it. Thank you very much. Please take a look. Really cool stuff. I'm sure you're going to enjoy it. That's wisio, S.A.Trotter. Cool. Back to it.